Hello everyone, myself Shanaz. Welcome back to MTC Mustafa Tuition Center. Now I'm going to take mathematics class for 8th standard kids. Okay, the chapter name is quadrilaterals. Hello kids. All these are my 8th standard kids, and for SSC students, you have chapter 3, right? Construction of quadrilaterals. Okay, it is chapter 3. And for CBSE, please show your syllabus. It is chapter 4, quadrilaterals. Okay, so both of you have this chapter, so I want you to listen it. Attend it. By the way, this chapter is over in the class, in school? No, for you? Over? Started or finished?
Started.
Just started. And for you? Not yet started. Okay, fine. Whatever it is, please listen to me carefully. Now I am going to explain you what are quadrilaterals. Okay, we are going to do introduction in this part. Only introduction. Okay, so what are quadrilaterals? Okay, you will understand with each term what are they. Okay, and what are the characteristics and properties of quadrilaterals and the types of quadrilaterals. Okay, before moving ahead to construction of quadrilaterals, it's very important that you understand what are quadrilaterals first. Yes, what are its properties and what are its types. Then you can go ahead with construction. Okay kids? Okay, tell me. Now coming to quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. Okay, the word quadrilateral is derived from Latin. Latin language. Okay, quadri means 4, latus means side. Did you understand, kid? Quadri means, see, quadri means 4, latus is side. Okay, and quadrilaterals are also called as what? Tetragon. And the word tetragon is derived from Greek. Okay, Greek word tetra means 4. Okay, and gun means angle or corner. Okay, 4 corner or 4 angle. Okay, so when you coin this word, what it means? 4 sides, 4 corners or 4 angles. Okay, so what is a quadrilateral? If you come to the definition, quadrilateral is nothing but a 2D shape, a closed 4-sided polygon. Okay, it is a 2D shape, a closed 4-sided polygon. Tell me, repeat after me. 2D shape, a closed 4-sided polygon. Okay, like KG kids, I'm making you repeat. Okay, fine. So you need to understand each term in this. 2D shape. What do you mean by 2D shape, kids? 2D. What do you mean by 2D shape? 2D shape means two-dimensional shape. Two-dimensional shape. Okay, that means quadrilaterals are two-dimensional shape, flat shape, plane figure. Means what? Means what? It means that it can exist on a plane. It can exist on a plain paper. Okay, like on a plain paper you can draw them. It is not 3-dimensional, it is 2-dimensional. Okay, so it can exist on a plane figure. Okay, so that is one, 2D shape. Okay, that means all quadrilaterals are 2-dimensional shape. Then next there is one more term called polygon. What is that? Polygon. What do you mean by polygon? See, poly means many, gun means corner or angle. Poly means many, gun means corner or angle or sides. Sides, you can take gun also means sides. Okay, that means many sides. Many sides. Okay, so quadrilateral is a shape with many sides. Okay, with 3 or more sides. Okay, so to make a polygon, it is more than 3 sides. 3 or more sides. Okay, fine. And then next it is closed figure. Okay, and kids, what is special about polygon? Polygon is made up of line segments. Polygon is made up of what? Line segment, not curves. Not curves. It is made up of line segment. That means all straight lines are involved. Rishi, you're listening? All straight lines are involved in making a quadrilateral. No curves. Okay, kids? Okay, and 4-sided. That means it is having 4 sides. Quadrilaterals are having 4 sides. In the name itself it is there. Quadri 4, lattice sides. 4 sides. Did you understand, kid? Now you got the meaning? Okay, now you understood the meaning? That means quadrilaterals are 2D shape, closed figure, okay, polygon. Okay, what do you mean by closed figure? Polygons are closed figure, right? That means there are no open ends. No open ends. See, with 2 lines, can you make a closed figure? No, right? They don't join here. See here, kids. Can you just open? See, these are 2 lines. Can you form a closed figure with it? From wherever you join them like this, you join them like this, wherever. It will not form a closed figure. It is an open figure. Okay, to make or to construct a closed figure, you require at least 3 lines or more than 3 lines. See, now if you have 3 lines, You can form a closed figure. Yes, you can form a closed figure. Yes, that means to form a closed figure you require 3 or more lines. Okay, so quadrilateral is a 2D shape. It's a closed figure. It's a polygon and it is having 4 sides. Did you understand, kid? Okay, fine. Then next, now coming to the properties of quadrilateral. Properties or characteristics, same thing. If they ask you properties or characteristics, you can write all these points. Okay, see, this is a quadrilateral. Kids, this is a quadrilateral. And for these points, you can give any name. You can give A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, X, Y, Z, whatever your wish. Okay, so I have given points named as P, Q, R, S. Okay, so this is a quadrilateral. Now, first, it has 4 sides. Sorry, a quadrilateral has 4 sides or edges. 4 sides or edges. Okay, first 4 sides or edges. See, PQ one side, QR one side, RS one side, SP one side. Did you understand? So a quadrilateral has how many sides? 4 sides. AB, BC, CD, DA, whatever. Letters doesn't matter. But it has 4 sides or edges. Okay. Then next characteristics is it has 4 vertices or 4 corners. It has 4 vertices or 4 corners. Vertices means what? Corners. This one. Yes, kids? Okay, you can see. See, P, Q, R, S. It has 4 corners. Okay, kids? Then next point, next characteristics is it has 4 interior angles. Kids, you know that this closed figures, they have interior angle as well as exterior angles. Yes? Okay, so they have 4 interior angles. Simple, right? 4 interior angles. See, P, Q, R and S. 4 interior angles. Okay? Angle P, Q, R. Yes, then where is one more? Yeah. Q, R, S. Okay? Then one more. S, P, Q. Okay? Then P, Q, R. Like that. You have how many angles altogether? 4 interior angles. And the sum of all the 4 angles is equal to 360 degree. Is always equal to 360 degree, not more than that. Okay, the sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is how much? 360 degrees. Did you understand, kid? Okay, then next characteristics is it has 2 diagonals. See, when you join the opposite vertices, you will get a diagonal. See, if you join opposite P and R, you will get a diagonal. Q and S, you will get a diagonal. So, all the quadrilaterals, they have how many diagonals? 2 diagonals. Okay, whatever the points you are given. P, R, Q, S. Okay, 2 diagonals are there. And they intersect. The diagonals intersect each other. Did you understand, kid? Okay, then next. And sum of exterior angle is also equal to 360 degree. Sum of exterior angle is also equal to 360 degree. Okay, then here in a quadrilateral, see, you have 2 adjacent angles. 2 adjacent angles. P and Q. See, P and Q. These are adjacent angles. What do you mean by adjacent? Which have common endpoints. Adjacent means which have common. Okay, see here. Adjacent means side to side. See, this one, angle P, angle Q. These are what? See, angle P and angle Q. They have common endpoints. Okay. Then they which one? One more. Okay. Then opposite. Angle P and angle R. These are opposite angles. Can you see? These are opposite angles. Kids, you are understanding? Am I confusing you? Or is it okay? See, angle P and angle Q, these are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Okay. Whereas angle P and angle R, they are opposite angles. They are opposite angles. Okay. Then next you have PQ and RS. PQ and RS, they are opposite sides. They are opposite sides. Okay. Then PQ and QR, they are adjacent sides. One common point. One common joining point they have. Did you understand? Okay, so you have, that means a quadrilateral will have 2 adjacent angles, 2 adjacent sides. 2 opposite angles, 2 opposite sides. So these are all the characteristics of, please close this way. These are all the characteristics of quadrilaterals. Now repeat. Rishi is yawning, so Rishi will tell. First of all, tell me revision now. Okay? Haricharan, you're listening? Okay. Tell me. The word quadrilateral is derived from Latin. What does quadri mean? 4. Lattice mean side. What do you mean by quadrilateral? Okay, quadrilaterals are also called tetragon. They are also called what? Tetragon. Tetra, 4, gun, angle or corner. Okay, and it also means side. Okay, then what do you mean by quadrilateral? It's a 2D shape, closed 4-sided figure. It's a closed figure, not an open figure. Okay, it's a closed 4-sided polygon. It's a polygon. Okay, then what are the characteristics? Can you tell me? Bhagya, tell me one by one. Bhagya, tell me one characteristic. It has 4 sides or 4 edges. Haricharan. It has 4 sides. Haricharan. It has 4 sides. Okay. Then it has 4 corners. Yes, it has 4 corners. Then it has 4 angles. 4 interior angles. Yes. Then and the sum of all the interior angle is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Then it has 2 diagonals. Okay. When you join the opposite vertices, you will get diagonals. Okay. Then one more what I said. 2 adjacent angles. 2 opposite angles. 2 adjacent sides. 2 opposite sides. Did you understand? These are the characteristics or properties of quadrilateral. Am I clear? Okay. Then next coming to types of quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals. Here you should not get confused. Quadrilaterals are mainly divided into simple quadrilaterals, complex quadrilaterals. Repeat. Simple quadrilaterals, complex quadrilaterals.